you doing? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, and of course I'm here today to share all the love and all the tea that I have here, just as always. Thank you so very much for being here. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you. Remember to hit that red button down the bottom there, which is subscribe, and while you're at it, make sure to hit on the notification bell as well, so once I do have videos uploaded, you are not missing out on anything. Okay, for those persons who have always been here, our loyal subscribers, thank you so very much for being here, and it's always a pleasure. Now, you know what time it is? Big up segment. Yes, I want to take this opportunity to big up none other than R8 Square. Yes, big up yourself, R8 Square. If you're interested in pranks, funny videos, and challenges, that's the channel for you to be on, right? So if that interests you any at all, as soon as we're done here, just go ahead and jump on over to R8 Squared. All right, guys, now that we have got the meet and greet out of the way, let's get into the video. Now, there are many persons who are out there and they're wondering, why am I not growing on YouTube? How is it this person is growing and I'm not growing? What can I do to increase my video? What can I do to increase my channel? What is somebody else doing that I am not doing? What is wrong with me? I know that's a question that many of us do ask, but guess where the answer is? The answer is within us. We are the answers. We are the only ones who are able to determine where we're going on YouTube, where we're able to take YouTube, and where YouTube is able to take us. And now I'm going to be sharing all of this with you, because why? You are my people. Yes. Wow. Guys, I'm sorry to derail, but I'm looking at the lashes. You like them too? Yes, remember I'm always telling you I'm sorting out my lashes. These are some other lashes. Yeah, advertisement. I'm sorry. These are some lashes that I am working on to get them for you. They're all human hair and they are very lightweight. I don't even feel them. All right? Yes. Sorry about that breaking transmission. Into the video now. All right. The first thing that I want to talk about is how we're able to be consistent on YouTube. One of the main things that we need to make sure that we're doing is that we are putting out content. We are uploading videos as often as possible. And when I do say often, I don't mean once for the month, once every 2 or 3 months. I'm talking about once every week minimum. You can put out videos twice per week or 3 times for the week, or even if you can put out a video every single day on YouTube love that, and also you will love that as well, because your channel will be getting a lot of engagement. And once your channel starts to get a lot of engagement, YouTube is going to realize that there's a lot of activities happening within your channel, and then you're going to be able to start fitting into the algorithm, and that is what we want to do. The next thing is have a plan. Be organized. What do I mean by plan and being organized? Make sure you have video ideas ready and waiting for you. The moment you think of something or you see something that's trending, do not keep it up here. Make sure you put it on paper. So when you're ready to do that video, then you'll have the information there. Or even so, sometimes you might just run out of ideas totally as to what you can do. So that is when you will draw for your book, and then you're able to go through and see which video you're able to do right away. If you're not creative enough where you're able to think about some ideas, or you're not seeing any trend that you're able to jump on right about now, what you can also do as well is to go on YouTube and you're able to search video ideas, and then you're able to skip through whichever one that suits you. Just write it down, and then you can always action on that and just record your video, so you're able to have content being uploaded on your channel very often. Another great point is making sure that you script everything that you're going to do when you're recording, or even so you write it out point for point. If you're not able to read from a script, make sure you have it in point format, like what I'm doing now. Now I am recording, and of course I have it all written out here. Alright, so I have it in my book, but because I'm recording, I do have it out in point format. So that way I am keeping a track of what I need to say, so I don't derail from the argument, because I do have a tendency of doing that. Yes, but when you do have your script or your points on paper in front of you when you're recording, that will prevent you from going off key and not giving your viewers what they need to hear. Another one which might be good for you is make sure you have editing days and recording days, right? To be editing, it's going to be taking a while. Sometimes it will, depending on the video, it can take me up to 2 to 3 hours. So it is best if you have a specific day set aside where you're able to use that day for only editing. Then for recording, you can also have a day set aside where you do only recording. Or if you're a vlogger, you know, once you go out there, you're always going to be recording. But for persons who are going to be giving like pointers, you have different stuff that you really want to talk about, and you have to sit down and relax and talk about them, then you need to make sure that you have specific days when you will sit and you say that is only for recording, and you do nothing else but record. That will help you to be more organized, and you will also have a lot of content where you're able to edit them and be putting them out on your channel. That will start getting persons engaged, and that way you're able to be more consistent in putting up content on your channel. Yeah, another great idea which YouTubers use as well is batch recording. This is very good when you do have a specific day set aside when you're only doing recording. Why batch recording is very good? Because you're able to just change your top, change your earrings, change your hairstyle, and then you're able to go ahead and record another video. So you're able to do multiple videos in the same day. It's just that you're going to be editing them and putting them up at different times. Change your top, change your bottom. It all depends on the type of video which you are doing. Also, for consistency, what you can do as well to get your viewers even engaged more is to do video premieres. I've been doing the video premieres and I really love them, because once you put it up that you have a video which is going to be premiering, your viewers are going to be very excited and can't wait to see what you're coming with. Also, if it is a situation where you are releasing your videos, say 7 o'clock every Friday, being consistent, all your viewers will know that 7 o'clock on a Friday, they need to clear their schedule, because guess what? Ali from Home Job Success is going to be dropping a video at that time. So your viewers, they are aware of your time. They are always looking forward to you. And with that, of course, your retention rate is going to skyrocket, because they know that you're coming out, and because you're so consistent with releasing your contents every Friday at 7 o'clock, they are going to be looking forward to you. This tool which I'm going to be telling you about now, it is the upload defaults. You're able to find that in your settings. Once you go on YouTube, I think it's Creator Studio, and then settings, you're able to see upload defaults. In that area, you're able to go ahead and at least pre-fill all those information. So when you're uploading your video, all of that will be there, because it is by default, it is going to be applied to whichever video you're uploading. That will save a lot of time, because I know many persons, you're still working, or you have your kids that you need to attend to, so time is against you. You don't have a lot of time to sit down and be typing all these descriptions. So of course, once you have the default area, you're able to go there and just pre-fill the information, so that will save you a lot of time when you're uploading your videos. One of my favorite, and this is what I use very often, I do have on my laptop, because I edit on my laptop, so I have a complete folder which has only YouTube items there. In that area, I have my outro, I have my intro, I have all the video clippings which I have recorded, and I've also put those in folders as well. So once I'm going to look for This video which I'm doing now, which is being consistent on YouTube, I'm able to click on that folder and all the clippings are there. Everything I need for it is there. So you can try to do little stuff like that as well, which will help you so you're able to be more organized when you're uploading. And once you do that, then of course you're going to be uploading faster. Your viewers are able to get more content from you, and it will also save you a lot of time. Well, that is all the time I have for you today. So I hope all the information I just shared with you, you're able to use them, and I hope they were beneficial to you. If they were, just go ahead and hit me up in the comment area. I'm always very active there. I read all your comments and I reply to all of them as well. If you do have other tips that you would like to share with us, go ahead and just leave them there. Right about now, I'm just taking this opportunity to thank you so very much for being here with us, and you take care of yourself. Walk good. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace. Take care. Bye.